Testing for COVID-19 has ramped up significantly in recent weeks, and so have the questions about that process. Who needs to be tested, and when should you go for that test? Teresa Snow has answers in tonight's Focus on Your Health.
Focus on Your Health is sponsored by MU Healthcare.
If you're having trouble breathing, persistent pain or pressure in the chest or other severe symptoms, you'll want to call 911 or go straight to the ER. But for most people, learning about a COVID-19 diagnosis involves a drive-through test site. The line of cars at MU Healthcare's 2 drive-through testing sites says it all. Demand for COVID-19 testing is on the rise.
MU Healthcare opened a second drive-through site because we had consistent demand for more than 400 to 500 tests a day.
Your first step is to be assessed by a clinician if you're experiencing symptoms like fever, chills, cough, or muscle pain.
I wanted to go over your medicines.
To make it easier, you can do a video visit at muhealthvideovisits.org. After your doctor's order, come to one of the drive-through testing sites.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Do you have the doctor's order today?
If you don't have any symptoms, but you've been in close contact with someone who has COVID-19, again, you'll want to be assessed by a doctor. But the timing is a little trickier.
If you're asymptomatic after an exposure that justifies testing, then the proper thing to do is to isolate, quarantine, and then wait approximately 7 days to be tested.
And doctors say there's a good reason why you shouldn't come for a test right away.
If you're early in the course of disease, it appears that you can not be replicating virus very much and not reach the threshold for it to be detected by the limits of our laboratories.
A staff member will take your information. Another swab your nasal cavity.
The practical advice that I have heard is bring tissues.
People who test positive for COVID-19 will receive a phone call, usually within 24 to 48 hours. If your test results are negative, they will be available through the Health Connect portal within 72 hours. For more information on testing, including hours and locations for the drive-through sites, visit muhealth.org/coronavirus. With Focus on Your Health, I'm Teresa Snow.
Focus on Your Health has been sponsored by MU Healthcare.
And to find a testing site near you, we have a link with this Focus on Your Health story online at krcgtv.com.